All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to get this nice, big, reverby, like spacey, lo-fi kind of vocal sound. I'll play a clip of this track real quick. These vocals just repeat. It's kind of like a backing thing. But yeah, I'll play a clip of it real quick and then break down exactly how I got the sound. All right. All right, let's break down exactly what I did to get this sound. All right, so we have our main vocal here, which dry is just I already tuned it all, so I'm not gonna go through vocal tuning. I can't fucking sing, so. But let's go through that. I use some type of compression. I use gain reduction with just a little bit, hitting it, not too much. And then I EQ out the low end and a little bit of the low mids. And then I record another take. Important to record another take instead of just copy and paste. And then also same thing, gain reduction, same EQ. And then I add doubler to it and I suck out the mid, like the middle channel, just a little bit. So then that gives us a nice wide kind of vocal. And then I also have this little harmony track that's just a higher pitch, and same exact thing as the layer track here. And then what's really important is on the vocal bus. So what's going on in the vocal bus is I use REAPER with an octave up, blended in, and then I put the formant down a couple semitones so it sounds a little bit more natural here. I'll show you what just that sounds like. So it's just a nice blend of, a higher pitch, give it more body, just a little bit more interesting here. So that's with it blended in. The next, we're going to do a little bit of saturation here. I use SSL saturator. I'm just adding just a little bit of, well, kind of a lot of it. Just gives it a bit more body. And then I've been using Valhalla Supermassive, is absolutely incredible. I'm just using the Triangulum Hall preset and the mix around 46%. And that gives us a nice big, just a nice big spacey sound. And then we do one step of EQ, just cutting out lows again. A little bit of a dip around like 2500 hertz. And also another dip around, 600 hertz. Just to kind of clean it up. I don't want it too up front. I want it to be towards the back. And then from there, I added a compressor, just kind of squashing it, getting that reverb, nice and squashed on there. From there, we got another EQ that's taken out a lot of high end and a lot of low end and a fair bit of the mids, just kind of letting it sit in there. I don't want it too up front. And then after that, we got doubler 2, just default settings, just to kind of bring out some width. And also another important thing, forgot about this. On the main track, that's going right down the middle, on gain reduction, I have the LoFi toggle on. You can also accomplish that with just an EQ, just cutting out the lows and highs and just kind of getting that more radio lo-fi sound, but gain reduction has it built right in. So that's pretty much the sound. I also send it to the reverb that's on the whole track, just to kind of let it glue in the mix a little bit more. So a lot of things are using the same reverb. And then all together, it just comes together. It's all about finding that good, reverb and delay sound, which I have very good luck using Supermassive as well as Valhalla Vintage Verb combined with Waves H delay. I think Waves does that. Let me double check. Yeah. So you can accomplish kind of the same effect Supermassive gives, but yeah, I hope you enjoy that. I'll link this track down in the description if you dig it. But hope that helped. Thanks for watching.